We'll guide you through how to change your YouTube profile picture. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on the YouTube mobile app, and for whatever reason you want to go and change your profile picture, perhaps you just got a better picture you want to use, or maybe you find your old one a bit embarrassing. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything. What we're going to do is we're going to go and head to the bottom right of YouTube. There you're going to go and find the U button and you need to go and tap there. That'll bring you to this page. What you can do is go and press accounts in the top left if you need to go and switch, because otherwise we're changing the profile picture for this account and channel at the top here. And what you want to do is go and tap on it at the top, press edit channel to the right, and then at the top you're going to see your profile picture with the camera icon. Tap there, you can take a photo or choose one from your photos. I'll select this one here. You can then go and crop it to your liking, and you can then go and press save in the top right. It'll then go and upload and update it. Just go and be patient, and it's then updated successfully.